Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome to another episode of Getting Drunk with Raja. Hi, Raja. You're not getting drunk today. She's rubbing up on the internet. Don't rub up on the internet, Raja. There you go. Yes, I'm sure they appreciate seeing your butt. That's very thoughtful of you. Raja the Wonder Cat, filling in for Raja the Wonder Dog. Are you happy? Can we drink beer now? There's millions and millions of our fans watching around the world. Yes, I know. It's very exciting. Okay. Uh, while Raja does cat things, we're going to get drunk. We've got one of my favorite breweries because they're my first craft beer, Abita. Um, Love strolling down Bourbon Street, sipping on actually a Hurricane, but an Abita, uh, Andy Gator, or they had a V10 that was my favorite, a heavy dose of alcohol beer. Anyway, this time we've got Pecan Ale. GEAU, go nuts. Get it, get it? 5.2% ABV. I'm not a nutty person, but it's Abita, made with real Louisiana roasted pecans. No matter how I pronounce it, someone corrects me, so screw you. A subtle nutty flavor and aroma. It's brewed with pale Munich biscuit and caramel malts and Willamette hops. The roasted pecans, nut cans are added in the brew house. Crack one open and go nuts. Got to know. Do a fancy bottle cap thing there. Look at that. Okay. Smells nutty. Some nut brown ales aren't bad. I'm a hophead normally, but I do enjoy going malty, especially, wintertime. For some of you, it's approaching fall. For us, it got foggy last night, so um, that means it's either the May grays, the June glooms, or just any other random month where it gets foggy. Because we live up in the clouds, so the clouds just descend on us. It smells nutty. That's my main. And a little bit of crispiness. It's actually making my mouth water from the aroma. Got a good head of foam, some good effervescence, good viscosity, and it's nutty. This is a pecan nut ale, for sure. Brown ale. It's good. It's not at the top of my list of brews, but I have no problem at all quaffing this nutty ale. So, for the benefit of those of you with flash photography, you're welcome. That's it. I like it. A scale of 1 to 5, it's a solid 3.5, maybe 3 3/4, maybe 3.5. It's a solid brown nut ale. and most of the things Abita does is solid. I like their strawberry lager. I like their, I'm drawing a total blank because it's been so long since I've been to New Orleans. Maybe it's time for a Mardi Gras party. It's the wrong time of year, but these Yankees don't know no better. Wonder if I can get a cake this time of year. With a little baby in it. Nah, I'll wait till Mardi Gras time. Maybe I'll just go to New Orleans for the weekend. Anyway, that's what we've got. Enough reminiscing. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day, and cheers.